How to use Magic Write in Canva. Begin by launching your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type canva.com and hit Enter. This will take you to Canva's main homepage. Once the site loads, open a blank page. I have one prepared, but feel free to open any page design you'd like to work with. Direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Click on the text icon to proceed. A submenu will appear. From there, select Magic Write. This action will open up the Magic Write settings for you. Here, you'll need to provide a prompt to use Magic Write effectively. Instead of crafting your own, click on the Try an Example button. This provides a sample prompt for you. The example prompt generated is 5 Twitter posts announcing a product launch for a new alarm clock phone app. If it suits your needs, click the Generate button to proceed. Magic Write will craft a text based on the prompt provided, ready for you to use. If you're satisfied with the text, you have the option to copy it by clicking this icon, or simply click on the Insert button. Notice how the text seamlessly appears on your design page once you click Insert. It's that simple, and there you have it.